Hey, welcome everybody to the Business Resurgence podcast, the essential podcast for learning about e-commerce, SaaS, and business growth strategies and innovation. I'm your host, Marco. We're going to be talking about a particular subject regarding the e-commerce space. I touched on it briefly on a past video. This is for personalization and customization for the modern day consumer. It's especially important if you run an online store. So let's jump right into it. Imagine you're trying to take your business to the next level here in 2024 or in the near future, or maybe you might be thinking about selling here in the near future. One thing that you have to truly understand is the current digital landscape right now. So the best way to put it is to let's imagine a brick and mortar store that you walk into, but instead of having products from all over, it's products that are specifically designed and customized for you, product suggestions, right? So that's actually what's happening on the online space right now. And it's all thanks to data analytics. And with this information, e-commerce platforms can actually suggest products to the consumer. So let's say they have a particular buying habit, or the algorithm understands that these particular products are something that the consumer might be interested in. So a lot of these e-commerce platforms are now suggesting some products. Maybe it's in relation to another product that the consumer bought, right? So understanding this is key, especially if you want to position your e-commerce business for either maximum growth or maybe position it to sell here in the near future. It's not just about product suggestions here. It's also about customized marketing messages as well. Have you ever gotten an email from a company and that email was written so well that it felt like it was targeting just you, the individual, even though it was sent to the rest of the customer base? It felt like that email was speaking to you. So those are the types of messages that are going to be key moving here in 2024, especially positioning your online business and outpacing the competition. Not only will those messages increase sales, it's also going to increase connection. And that's one key thing you have to build a loyal customer base. You see, it's not just about the products that you're selling. It's about creating an experience for your customers. Think of a big brand that has brick and mortar stores, right? When you go and buy a product from them, you're not buying just the product. You're buying the experience that comes with it. You're buying the story that comes with it. And that's going to be huge as everything starts shifting to the online world. You want to build a community where your customers can engage with each other, where they can talk about the product that you're selling. You want to be able to deliver that experience, because not only is that going to equate into higher growth, faster growth, it's also going to equate into bringing value to the marketplace, where right now it's so commoditized and saturated that this will help differentiate you from your competition. So to conclude, if you're gearing up maybe to possibly sell your business here in the near future, or you're setting it up to hit that maximum growth, having a deep understanding of personalization and customization is not only key, it's essential. Thanks for joining us on another episode of the Business Resurgence podcast. Next up, we have more videos that are going to help unravel more strategies for growth in the e-commerce, SaaS, and also provide some business innovation and strategies. So stay tuned for those videos because they're coming up.